Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get an animated avatar on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Click on your username and from the drop-down menu that appears, select View My Profile. This will take you to your public Steam profile page where others can see your gaming activity and information. Now look over to the right panel of your profile page. You'll notice an option that says Edit Profile. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Steam profile, including your avatar, background, and other personal details. Once you're in the Edit Profile section, turn your attention to the left panel. You'll see several menu options listed there. Click on Steam Points Shop. This is Steam's reward store where you can use the points you've earned from purchases to unlock various cosmetic items and profile customizations. In that same left panel, you'll now see different categories available in the points shop. Click on Avatars. This section contains all the avatar options you can purchase or claim using your Steam points, including both static and animated options. You'll now see a collection of avatars displayed on your screen. If you want to specifically browse all the animated avatars available, navigate to the All Animated Avatars section. Right beside it, you'll see a button that says See All. Click on that button to expand your options and view the complete collection of animated avatars available in the shop. Take your time browsing through the results until you find an animated avatar that catches your eye. Once you've found your preferred avatar, click on it to view more details. However, I should mention that I don't have any Steam points available to purchase it myself. If you have enough Steam points, go ahead and click Purchase with Steam points to complete the transaction. The avatar will then be added to your collection and ready to use. Once you've successfully purchased your animated avatar, it's time to actually set it as your profile picture. Head back to the upper right corner and click on your username again, then select View My Profile. This brings you back to your profile page. In the right panel, click on Edit Profile once more to access your profile customization options. Now in the left panel, click on Avatar. This will show you all the avatars currently available in your collection, including the animated one you just purchased. Select the avatar from your list. After selecting your new animated avatar, click Save to apply the changes to your profile. Your animated avatar is now active and visible to everyone who views your Steam profile. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.